Today, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up your Restream app so that you can get more views while you live stream. If this is a video you like to watch, make sure to smash that like button.
So the very first thing you do once your video is ready is to compress your video, because if the file is too large, it's going to be cutting. Like, it's going to load till maybe like 50% and then go back to 3% and just keep repeating the cycle until it eventually stops. So you need to compress your file so that it can upload once. Head over to Panda. That's the compressor I use. So I'm going to choose my video now, which is this first one, and then I'll click on next. Large file, small file, medium file, you choose the one you want. I'll leave it at medium file so that it's not too large. I'll click on next again, and this video codec, I'll change it to MP4. That's how I do mine. And then I'll click on compress. Now you can see Panda is squeezing your file 3% and counting, so I'll just let it load to 100%. So it's complete 100% now. You can see that the original file was 106 MB and the compressed file is 8 MB, which is way lesser. So I'll just click on save so that I can find it in my gallery. I'll click on OK. Save successful. Open your browser and search for restream.io. I'm using the Chrome browser, so you can use whichever browser you have, but Chrome preferably. Now this first one is the official site, so you click on that and wait for it to load. It's going to load and bring you to the Restream homepage. Now this first homepage of the Restream actually takes a little time to load and bring out more options for you, so you have to be patient while it's loading. So let's wait for it to fully load. Now make sure that your video is 2 minutes long at most, because if it's too long, it's not going to upload on the site. Now you click on this plus that says new, plus new, you click on that. When that opens, you choose the last one, the third option here, video or playlist. Then choose video file, single video file. That's what you choose, so that you can have an option to upload the video that you compress. Now click on upload video and go ahead to choose that video that you just compressed, which is this one, I guess. I'm just gonna wait for it to load. When it loads and processes up to 100%, then I'm going to proceed with the video. Click on the X sign that says cancel, and then click on this part that says leave. Now go back again, click on this plus new. And click on Restream Studio. Allow it to load, and then you have more settings, more options to set up your Restream. I'm waiting for it to load. This particular place actually takes a little time to load.
Here we are. So this is the next page, and you're going to now click on enter studio. Now, one thing about this Restream app, it hangs a whole lot. I don't know if it's my phone. If you experience this when you are using Restream, please let me know in the comments. It hangs a lot. It seizes a lot. It delays. There is a whole lot of delay. Like, you literally have to be patient when you're using this Restream app. and you need to make sure that your network is also strong. So that has finally entered the studio. So this is the studio now. Now we are going to do this main setup for the Restream. We'll start from the beginning. The first thing you're going to do now is click on that place that says plus channels, so that you select the channel you're going to use to do your Restream. For me, I have 2 channels linked to this Restream app, so I'm going to choose the one I want to use for this particular live stream, which is O2 Styles. Now the next thing to do is click on the pencil sign by Live with Restream and rename this live stream. Also add a description to this live stream. Now what I want to upload is about rain sound, insomnia cure, and sleep better. That's what I actually wanted to upload on this live stream, but I think I actually lost that video because the audio was not there was no audio because it said one app was using my microphone. Apparently I could not use the screen recorder and this app at the same time, so there was no audio, so I had to just swap the videos while I was doing my live stream. So this is the title, but make sure that your title is related to the video and your description further relates and links all of these together. Now the next thing to do after writing your description, you're going to click on update all and wait for it a little to take you back to the studio. Now let's be patient a bit. Now your live stream shouldn't last more than 12 hours. Any minute above 12 hours, your stream is going to be nullified. Any minute above 12 hours, your live stream is going to be nullified. Your views and watch hours will not count. So make sure that your live stream doesn't go beyond 12 hours. 11 hours, 10 hours is even enough. You can stop it and start another one immediately, but don't let your live stream go beyond 12 hours. Now click on update all. Now we are back to the studio, and in a moment the live stream is going to be updated with the name that we just used, and then we'll proceed to doing the next setting. Good and fine. So next, you see that place that was showing a profile picture. You now come down to this place that says demo. Click on that demo, and this is what you are going to see. Add source, and then the image has gone to the bottom and it's very small. So next thing, you click on that add source and choose video. Now this brings you to the video you have actually uploaded on your stream. This will bring you to the videos you have actually uploaded on your stream. Now Restream actually has free version and paid version. For the free version you are limited, but for the paid version you have more options, definitely. And for this free version you can only upload 3 videos at a time, and make sure that you do not use one video to live stream twice, because you will be given a strike for reused content and you won't be able to monetize that content. So make sure that you change your live stream content every time that you stream. Don't use one content to stream twice. So now we have chosen the video, we're going to wait for it to be affected here. Now this is the video, this is the live stream, this is the video, this is the video, and it's already playing. Now we're going to go ahead to click on the 3 dots by on top of that video, and we'll see loop, minimize, replace. Now we're going to click on loop because we want this video to keep playing for hours, not you having to press the play button every time it stops. That will be draining. Next, you're going to click on maximize to fill up the screen like you can see right now. And if you have to change this video, you can simply click on the 3 dots again and select replace to change your video. So right now we are going to go to the bottom, click on the 3 dots by the demo and select rename. Now the name that you actually use to name your stream in the first place, you are going to put that same name here so that your stream will have a name. Next, you click on save at the bottom. I don't know why it's taking so long to save. Anyways, we're still going to wait for it to save, and then we'll proceed to the next option before we click on live. You actually have to set up your live stream properly, else you will not be getting the views that you desire. So now I have set up my live stream, and I think everything is in order right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on this part that says go live at the bottom. Now once you click on that, it's going to give a 3-number countdown, and eventually you'll be live.
I'm talking. Who's talking?
Like I said before, Restream actually needs patience. If you set it up properly, you'll be able to get views, but if not, you keep struggling. Initially when I started, okay, right now you are live. Initially when I started, I wasn't getting the views until I learned how to do this proper setup. So now I get a lot of views. I'm also going to show my result at the end of this video, so you might want to stick around till the end. Now you are live. As you can see from the top, it's showing live in orange box. You can see live, and then there's a countdown on top of the video, which means my live is already on. And if there are views on the right now, there's nobody on the live stream. If there are views on the live stream, you'll be seeing it. You see an image with numbers at the top also. Next thing you want to do, from these icons at the center, click on the envelope option, so that when people drop messages for you on your live stream, you'll be able to see them. You can also share messages on the live stream to your audience. You can admonish them to subscribe or double tap and like the live stream. You can reply and respond to their comments as they drop them. And from here also, you can actually pin a message to your audience on your screen. Whatever message you want your audience to see once they enter your live stream, you just touch on it, and then you have two options, show and hide. Now the message there, I have touched on it, that's why it's showing hide. If I click on it again, it will disappear from the screen. I hope that was explanatory enough. So just type whatever message you want in that chat box, and then click on that arrow to send, and then tap on it. It shows immediately on the screen. So whatever message you want to say, hi guys, please double tap on your screen to like the live stream, or hi guys, please subscribe to this channel for more YouTube growth tips, or please like this live stream, or you want to even ask a question. What do you think about this live stream? What do you think about this video you are watching? If you just want to get their honest opinions about anything, you can always drop it in the comments and then pin it on the video so that they would be seeing it. I hope this was clear enough. If you're still watching at this point, please smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for YouTube growth tips. On this channel, I help small and new YouTubers navigate through YouTube by sharing tips and tricks that will help you grow your channel and get more views on your YouTube channel. Yeah, now you don't want to miss out on these tips and tricks, so smash that like button so that more persons can get to see this video, and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. Now, for you to use any video from the internet on Restream, make sure that you do a proper editing on that video. Like this video on your screen, I got it from the internet, I got it from Instagram, and then I took it to my InShots. I muted the sound that came with it, and then I added a copyright free song from YouTube. Now you can go ahead to download some copyright free songs from YouTube music studio. I don't know how to put it, but you can download some copyright free songs. It's not all songs on the YouTube library that are free from copyright, but some are. So you can go ahead to download those. This is my YouTube studio. Let me show you the lives I have done using Restream when it started picking up. Now let me tell you the truth. To be honest, there are some days that you will not see views on live stream, either YouTube or Restream. There are some days that you would see views and it will be massive. Now when I started this live streaming, I was not even seeing 1 views, but at some point I started seeing 2, 3, and these last ones that I'm showing you, this first 4 are live streamed with Restream. You can see it, streaming software. Look at them, streaming software. This first one 1860, this one 406, this one 50, this one 7.1 thousand, and the other one was 4.1k views. That was when my live stream started picking up. 7.1k views, 4.1k views, and there was another one for 1.8, I think. So there are some days you will not see views, but there are some days that you see views and to be massive. So just keep what you are doing, and very soon it will pay off. The best thing about using Restream is that you can stream a video and just go to sleep. If you want to do a green screen live stream on YouTube live stream where you cannot show your face, it's only picture you can use. But when you use Restream, you can actually stream a video and loop that video so it plays for a longer time. So this is how I've been setting up my live stream using Restream, and I've been seeing a lot of improvements in my live stream. So guys, don't forget to like this video like I said earlier. Until next time, bye. If you learned something from this live stream tutorial, just let me know in the comments. If you have used Restream, you can share your thoughts, share your honest opinions in the comment also. Does your Restream hang the way mine hangs? Do you get frustrated setting up your Restream the way I do? Just let me know what you think in the comments. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Did you turn on your post notification? Good job. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video.